First of all, I wish you a happy Maths Day. My name is Kushmita. I am studying 5th standard at Sri Anodaya Vijayanagara. My name is Sai Parinda.
What did you prepare that?
3D shapes.
What?
3D shapes.
How did you prepare? Okay, you turn to that side. మీ వైపు తిప్పేసుకోండి. Okay. How you make soap?
Cone.
What is that?
Cone.
Cone. Yes. I will say. Okay. What is that?
Cube.
Cube. Yeah. Nice. Turn next.
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Okay, good. Turn properly. How is it? Yeah. Nice. What next?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay. Cylinder. And next?
Triangle prism.
Triangle prism. Good. Next?
Triangle pyramid.
Triangle pyramid. Okay. Properly. Pyramid. Okay. Finish?
Thank you, Mom.